Another trick of the mind. Has anybody here ever created an expectation for another human being? It could. Everybody has, so if you want to lie, you can lie, but that's fine. It's not, I don't know about it. You feel good about yourself. Have you ever created an expectation for another human being, comma, never told them about the expectation, comma, so then they don't fulfill the expectation that they know nothing about, and who are you mad at? It's insane that even for someone with limited intelligence, that it doesn't make sense. It's so ass backwards. Watch, ready? Why did she do it? What the hell? So I wanted her to stand up and spin around and clap her hands, but I didn't tell her, and she didn't do it, so obviously it's okay to be mad at her. Oh, what? So she said right out loud. How many people said right in their mind? You don't have to answer to me, but answer to yourself. And here's the great part, right. Why is it so important for us to be right? Does anybody here like to be wrong? Okay, how many of you like to be right? Raise your hand. I didn't say about what, doesn't matter. So you don't realize your costs and your consequences. Anybody here remember some person in their life, family, relationship, friend, platonic, whatever, and for some reason, you don't see that person, you don't talk to that person, because at some point it was more important for you to be right about something than just to let it go. I love you. You're awesome. She said, everyone else hates you now, but I love you. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate that.